In this video, we'll be showing you how to set up the Renogy 100-watt monocrystalline solar kit with Voyager charge controller. This kit contains a 100-watt flexible panel, a 20-foot adapter kit, an 8-foot tray cable, and a new edition Voyager 10-amp PWM waterproof charge controller. We will start by connecting the Voyager to a 12-volt battery. The tray cable will be used to connect the Voyager and the battery. Connect the tray cable to the Voyager first, then connect one tray cable at a time to the battery. The controller will power on as soon as the battery is connected. The next step is to connect the solar panel to the charge controller using the adapter kit. The panel is for demonstration purposes only and will be connecting to a panel located outside. Now that the panel has been connected, the Voyager controller will also indicate this on the front LCD screen. We hope this video has helped you familiarize yourself with the Renogy 100-watt monocrystalline solar kit with Voyager charge controller. Thank you for your purchase and have a wonderful day.